A small Canadian company may have a solution to the deadly E. coli outbreak in Germany. Thallion Pharma is testing a medicine that targets the very same toxins that are sickening hundreds across Europe. Bloomberg's Shannon Pettypiece is in Chicago at a drug industry conference this morning. Allan Mandelzys, the CEO of Thallion, is with us from Montreal. Shannon, take it away.
Thanks very much, Eric. And Allan, thank you for joining us. Now, right now, there's basically no cure for the people who have this E. coli infection. But walk me through how your drug and testing could potentially help all these people who are sick in Europe right now.
No, it's my pleasure, Shannon. Thank you. Essentially, and in the simplest form, our product candidate, Shigamabs, is an antitoxin. The real problem with E. coli is that they secrete toxins known as shigatoxins. And it's these toxins that lead to a myriad of medical complications, including the very serious kidney ailment, hemolytic uremic syndrome, or HUS. Shigamabs is basically comprised of two monoclonal antibodies that are highly specific and highly selective for these toxins. So essentially, Shigamabs binds to these toxins. Importantly, they neutralize these toxins, and then the body eliminates the toxins. And in doing so, it stops the toxin-associated complications like HUS from ever developing.
So the problem with these patients is the toxins produced by E. coli, and your drug would neutralize those toxins, right? And then the body can clear itself?
Exactly, and by using this antitoxin approach, you eliminate the variability that we see in all these various strains. Our approach is strain independent. It doesn't matter if it is the O104 strain that is implicated in the German outbreak, or whether it's another strain such as O157, which has been implicated in past outbreaks in the United States.
Now, I know your drug is still in testing, but have you been in touch with the European and German authorities about trying to get this drug to the patients there?
We have been in contact with various European authorities, basically to update them on the status of our development program, and as well as inquiring whether we could be of any help at all.
And where is the drug in development right now? How do we know whether it's effective, whether it's safe? What do we know about it so far?
Well, at the moment, we're currently in a phase 2 trial evaluating Shigamabs in children infected with E. coli. This study is being conducted entirely in South America because that's where the incidence of this disease is highest. We've completed the first half of our phase 2 trial safely, and last week we announced that we've initiated enrollment in the second half of the trial, and we expect top-line results later this year. Once we have the data in hand, we will meet with the regulatory authorities, including the FDA, and hopefully rapidly move to a pivotal phase 3 registration trial towards the end of 2012.
So possibly timing as far as when this could get on the market?
We anticipate that our phase 3 trials should take approximately 2 years, so we're still a few years away from the market at this point.
All right, great, Allan. Thanks so much for joining me. Very interesting stuff. Eric, I'm going to toss it back to you.
Terrific stuff. Thank you, Shannon. Thank you, Allan Mandelzys, CEO of Thallion Pharma.